clocking in for the day. This is lawn number 1 right here. That right there is a JTLK treated lawn. Check out that line right there. JTLK, unknown. JTLK, unknown. All right, let's cut it. So for those of you guys who have been watching, you know that I just put out a video where I actually came out to these lawns a couple days ago, did some applications. If you haven't seen that, I recommend you check it out. It's all about our round 2 and some fun cocktails. Any of you do-it-yourselfers can mix up as well. You have those products available to you. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Because I said so. A whopping 37 degrees today. What a stark contrast from 2 days ago when I was spraying. It had to be like maybe 65, 70. Now it's this. Typical Indiana. I swear, Indiana, I love you, but you are by far the most bipolar state I've ever known. Like literally, if you think about the weather long enough, everybody, it'll change. Hi, buddy. Hi, it's okay. What you doing? Okay, so everything from about where the house starts to right here, this was all planted by me with the GCI turf type tall fescue mix back in 2019. Here we are in 2024. I am into my second season of running my professional program on it, and whew, boy, look at her glow. She looks good. Double dark, I must say. Look at that line too. JTLK? Not JTLK. JTLK difference.
This video is brought to you guys by the fine folks at Horizon 360. Guys, if you're starting a small business, you're running a small business, maybe you want to take it to the next level, you want to cut down on the chaos in your small business, this is going to be the CRM for you. Horizon 360 handles everything from customer acquisition to customer retentions. You have the ability to send out mass emails. You have the ability to put trackers on your truck and equipment, check on all the logistical things if you have crews out there. You also have financial data that you can analyze and use to make smart decisions on how to pivot your business going forward to be more efficient and more profitable. Despite the base plan being free, if you use coupon code H360JTLK at checkout, that's going to give you 3 months any plan you want of Horizon 360 in the upper 2 tiers to give you a little taste of the live analysis that you can get when it comes to running your business and pivoting it accordingly. Horizon 360, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to it.
So after all this time, finally got Trevor mowing. I'm actually pretty happy about it. He's doing pretty good. I should be doing some work, but I wrapped up early. You're good? I should be doing some work, but I wrapped up my trimming a little bit early. Oh, gotta fix that right there. But he's doing pretty good. The way this thing cuts is honestly incredible. Well, he's gonna have to redo that, but I know he'll do it. He'll do it just fine. I got the X plate set up on there right now, and what it's doing, so you got like 2 sets of lawnmower braids that are crisscrossed. I got some rippers on top and some high lifts on the bottom, and that's a killer combination in my opinion for the spring and fall. It helps with a lot of our lawns because, as I mentioned, all of our mowing accounts are full service or bust. Like, we require all of our mowing clients to be on a fertilization program just because that's how we want to do it now. We want all our grasses to look like this. Plus, it's more enjoyable to mow. You guys know that. But since making that change, I've had to think of ways to deal with the extra growth because, you know, we don't mess around with the JTLK plants. So put X blades on the mower. I'll have to make a video about those. If you guys want to hear a video about that, if you guys want to see a video about that, comment below. Let me know what you would like to know about that. But yeah, we've been running that for a while. And yeah, look at that. Runs really, really well on here. Yeah. Woo! Here we are, last one. Looking a little frayed because of the cool temperatures. It's cool having Trevor because I send him to the back with this V-ride and I take the big one and do the front. Whoever gets done first trims and edges, and whoever gets done with either or blows off. So might be both of us tonight. Okay. spider monkey. Spin that. Ow! That's all right. All right, you're all set.